Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, we are from Faculty of Information Management, Universiti Negeri Mara, UiTM Cawangan Kelantan, and our team members would like to present a topic on developments and regulations of instrument measuring referencing competencies and individual performance. Okay, for introductions, preparations of high quality and accurate references are very important in academic writings, and therefore referencing competencies are the knowledge, skill and ability to effectively managing individual reference sources. Okay, complete and accurate referencing of all sources of information or literature will be very useful, especially when others might want to trace back the original work on the article which they are referring to, and also show some respect to the original authors. Okay, the importance of referencing competencies has been widely regarded in the literature, so we will look at the literature review. However, there is a scarcity of research focusing on referencing competency, where the research is focused on general competencies of user. Therefore, the purpose of this paper is to develop and validate an instruments to measure referencing competencies and its impact on individual performance. Okay, literature review. In doing this paper, we have read lots of literature, and this is several literature that relate to our paper. Okay, referencing skill is one of the competencies that librarians should have, because librarians are responsible for educating users, especially students, to have good skill in making references for their academic writing. And others also said that referral or referencing is a powerful way for students to demonstrate the depth and the breadth of their research, understanding, involvement and critical thinking about disciplinary ideas. Therefore, the ability to cite and quote effectively in student texts is very important in institutions where critical and deep thinking and the breadth of knowledge are accessed and evaluated. And the last one is, according to Ram S. and Paul and Bouquet, 2014, references and excerpts especially refer to research results that are well received and widely read as the basics for any research. Okay, the research was conducted on several empirical phases, where we have 4 phases. First is list of predictors and dependent variable was formulated based on previous similar study, okay, which is systematic literature review was adopted for identifying the predictors and impact of the topic. And as a result, there are 5 variables were selected, which is knowledge, skill, ability, task productivity, and also task satisfactions. Okay, the second is a pilot instrument was developed based on the variable that has been identified, where the instrument was developed by adopting and adapting to previous instrument. Okay, where for referencing competencies we have knowledge, skill, and ability as a variable, and for individual performance we have task productivity and also task satisfactions as a variable. Okay, the third instrument was validated by an expert review process, where an expert form was developed to validate the instrument, and 5 experts were selected for the validations of the instrument. Okay, the expert was chosen in the field of information systems and library and information science, and the criteria for selections of the expert are based on the years of experiences, educational background, and related publications and seminar on the topic of interest. Okay, finally, the phase validation was conducted among potential respondents, where we propose student which is undergraduate student, and the reliability analysis was conducted to determine the reliability of the instrument prior to adjustment and improvement as suggested by the expert review process.
The following subsection discuss the results of the study in terms of content clarity, content relevance, and reliability analysis. In order to guide the process of pre-testing the instrument, this study evaluates the instrument based on Content Validity Index (CVI), clarity and relevance, following the work of Pollitt and Beck 2006. The following Table 3 show the results of content relevance as rated by the experts. The mean ICVI is 0.95 as CVI-UA is 0.92, while mean expert proportion is 0.90, indicating that the content of instruments has a strong relevance index. Next is to access the Content Clarity Index. The following Table 4 show the results of content clarity as rated by the experts. The mean ICVI is 0.85 as CVI-UA is 0.85, while mean experts proportion is 0.82, indicating that the content of instrument has a strong clarity index. Following the process of content validity and phase validity, adjustment and modification was made to the instruments as suggested by the expert. Then, a pilot study was conducted to determine the reliability of the instruments. An invitation email was sent to 50 students at University Technology Mara Cawangan, Kelantan, in which 45 responses are received, indicating a 90% response rate. The Cronbach alpha coefficient was used to determine the reliability of the instruments. As shown on the following Table 5, all the value of Cronbach alpha coefficient for the study meet the acceptable value of 0.70 to 0.95 as suggested by Nannerline 1978. The present study was conducted to develop and validate a valid instrument for measuring referencing competencies and its impacts on individual performance. A series of steps was conducted: instrument development, expert review, phase validity, pilot study, and reliability analysis. This study is not without limitation. First, we only focus on the dimension of referencing competency. Future studies could include other types of competency, such as information technology competency, general competency, research competency, and etc. Second, we only tested the instrument on limited number of respondents. Although valid, a subsequent study on larger proportion of respondents must be conducted to further validate the instrument that have been developed.